SB19 at Clarice may acer pasabog? Plus, latest Billboard Fan Army Face-Off quarterfinals update. One day before the Acer Day, and here's another exciting update. Clarice de Guzman of PBB has posted an IG story na nandoon siya sa onesie office. It looks like may inihahandang pasabog ang SB19 with Clarice on the Acer Day. Meanwhile, in the Billboard Fan Army Face-Off 2025 as of August 8, 10:50 a.m., SB19 has now 73% versus Shabuzi 27%. Now, this looks good pero wag tayong pakampante. Let's widen the gap some more. We still have 3 days before quarterfinal ends at usually nagbabagsak ang mga kalaban on the last day. Kaya mas maigi na palakihin pa natin ang gap para mahirapan silang humabol. So, once again, ibagsak nyo na ang mga boto 18.